Hello everyone! A very warm welcome back to the QA Online Academy. It is truly wonderful to see you all again for another advanced session. Your dedication to mastering modern automation tools is what makes this community so special. I hope you've mastered the unit test framework from our last session. Today, we are moving into even more modern territory with the Pytest Framework. It's the most popular testing tool in the Python ecosystem for its simplicity and power. Today, you'll learn why Pytest is the preferred choice for professional engineers. We'll cover its simple syntax, powerful fixtures, and how it makes writing complex tests a breeze. Let's get started with the setup. The journey starts with a simple installation. Let's see how easy it is to add Pytest to your environment using the terminal. By executing pip install Pytest in your terminal, you gain immediate access to a massive array of advanced testing features and plugins. With the installation complete, the first thing you'll notice is the incredible reduction in boilerplate code. Now, let's look at the syntax. Once installed, the first thing you'll notice is how much less boilerplate code we need. In Pytest, classes are entirely optional. As you can see, you can simply write functions that start with test. Pytest will find them automatically, allowing you to focus on the logic instead of structure. Another massive benefit is the simplified assertion style. We no longer need complex framework-specific methods for verification. Pytest uses Python's built-in assert statement. It's smart enough to provide detailed failure reports while keeping your code clean and readable. Now let's talk about the real powerhouse of Pytest, fixtures. These are the modern replacement for the old setup and teardown methods. We define a fixture using this decorator. This function handles the setup logic and then provides its data or objects to any test that needs them. The way we use these fixtures is through dependency injection, and it's incredibly intuitive. Let's see it in action. To use it, you simply pass the fixture name as an argument to your test function. Pytest handles the dependency injection for you automatically. But how do we handle cleanup? In Pytest, we use the yield keyword to clearly separate setup from teardown. Everything before the yield is your setup. Everything after the yield is your teardown. This ensures your resources are always released, even if a test fails. Finally, let's look at parameterization. This is the ultimate tool for efficient, data-driven testing in modern projects. This allows you to run the exact same test function multiple times with different sets of input and expected output, covering dozens of scenarios at once. Now it's your turn to be the engineer. Open PyCharm and create a simple Pytest function. Define a fixture with a yield for setup and teardown, and use it in a test. I'll give you 10 seconds to think. Good luck. How did you do? Remember, the key is the apytest.fixture decorator and dependency injection. If you manage that, you've mastered the foundations of Pytest. That brings us to the end of our Pytest introduction. I hope you're excited about how much cleaner and more professional your automation can become. Please practice these skills at home. In our next masterclass, we'll dive into HTML reporting, learning how to turn these results into beautiful, shareable documents. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your feedback below. Please note that establishing a connection and purchasing your trial session or full course is handled exclusively through our official website. Subscribe to our YouTube and TikTok channels for more tips. See you in the next lesson.